Welcome to Jacksonville International Airport. Airports are often the first and last impression travelers have of the city. That's why it's important we make it an experience you will always remember. At Jacksonville International Airport, we want our visitors to see the best of what Northeast Florida has to offer. Whether that's enjoying a cup of coffee and pastries at Southern Grounds, grabbing a sub at Angie's Subs, or admiring the work of the region's many talented artists and musicians. We strive to make our passengers' time in our terminal memorable and pleasant in every way. We also want those of us who are proud to call North Florida home to be welcomed by familiar sights and tastes of our region. In the not-so-distant future, there are a lot of exciting things going on. A new parking garage will be within walking distance of the terminal. A third permanent economy parking lot will open this summer. Also, we are proud to announce that we will begin construction on Concourse B, adding 6 new gates for airlines to grow. It also means numerous customer service enhancements with more space for local restaurants and national brands we all know and love. We hope you'll stay connected with us while we work hard to maintain JAX as the crown jewel of Northeast Florida and continue to set the standard for innovation, growth, tourism, and industry. Welcome to Jacksonville International Airport.